Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Kotatsu app, especially if you can't find it in Play Store. Let's get started. First, try to open the Google Play Store and search for the Kotatsu, and you'll notice that it doesn't appear. That means that it's not available on the Play Store. Now, here's another option. Open your browser and search for the Kotatsu APK latest version. Make sure that you download it only from a trusted and reputable website to avoid harmful files. And once open, the APK finishes downloading, tap the file. If your phone asks for permissions to install the unknown apps, allow it temporarily. Then here press install and wait for the process to finish. And after installation, tap done. And you'll now see the Kotatsu app on your home screen like a normal app. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.